What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. You know what that means. It's time for another midweek market update. Actually, you know what? This is probably not the best view over here that I'm sitting in. Let me change my view so you guys can get a glimpse. Obviously, we're not in Toronto or the GTA. I'm going to save that where we are at right now, but I do want to show you something very quickly over here. We are away, but we are actually still steadily working. And I want to show you a little bit of my mobile office setup that I have. So I have my laptop, my wireless mouse, and then this screen. A friend suggested this screen. This has been a game changer, especially to compile the data that I'm about to share with you guys. Basically, our inventory level is just over 29,000 listings available for sale. Basically, we went up 4.5% this week over last week. But guess what? The week before that, we were down 4.5 points. So we're kind of where we are at right now. I could tell you that we're a lot higher than we were a year ago and starting from the year. But you guys already know that. In terms of sales, the sales were down last week. And I think it's mainly because of school starting. So the sales were down about 17% week over week. And that's really, I think, because of school, people settling into their schedule. Cool thing is that year-to-date sales, we are still kind of catching up. There's only one region and one segment that's actually tiny little bit ahead in terms of sales than last year, and that is Toronto freehold. Of course, long live Toronto freehold. That is like basically the staple. If you start to see that slipping down and not recovering, then we know we have a really big issue. And when we talk about price, 52 weeks, it's still kind of messed up. It's showing about $100,000 on average that we're away. And if we look at week over week, we had a small gain. And if you guys haven't figured it out yet, we are in Jamaica. One love. Even though we are in Jamaica, last night we had an offer presentation on one of our listings. We ended up getting 7 offers on this property. The thing I want to talk to you guys about, if you're a buyer out there and you're just going out and lowballing stuff, I think that could be a mistake. So I've seen this happen. I've been in real estate for 14 years. I've been buying for more than 20, but I've seen this happen. So basically when the market kind of tails downwards, everyone thinks that everything is like a freebie now. So $900,000 house, you're going to be sending me an offer for like $750. Like, it just doesn't make sense. And they just think this is right. And they keep repeating. I'm not saying the market's going to light up on fire right now, but the same type of people over here, they keep lowballing. And guess what? The market starts eventually starting to tick up. And guess what they say at that point? They say, oh, it's getting expensive. It's getting too expensive. I'm going to wait until the prices come down. Now, if this, and some people do this, if you are looking to build up your net worth or some kind of a cushion through real estate, and this is your strategy, I think this is a really bad strategy. I think you got to be kind of at market value, maybe a little bit below market value, because I don't think the sellers are that desperate right now that they're just giving these things away. All right, guys, this is the last piece I'm going to leave you with today. Basically, we saw the job numbers come down quite a bit, so that was quite a hit to our economy overall in Canada. Next week is going to be the Bank of Canada's interest rate announcement, overall announcement. So we're going to get a little bit more details on, how they're seeing things going and where interest rates may be going. But enough about that right now, guys. I'm in Jamaica. It's my last day over here, so I'm going to be getting into the water, and I'll see you guys later.